Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm at Anfield for my weekly Anfield Road stand update. It's starting to turn into a mouthful, that, isn't it? Anyway, I'm not going to address any comments today. I have got loads, but I'm going to do a week of comments and then a week of just flying around, because I've noticed I've neglected to comment on what's going on around the stadium build. So I'm going to do a week of slow footage around the build itself, and then a week of comments. So I'll get over the ground anyway, and we'll start. What I will start with, so make sure I'm above that crane, which I am. So there's people working on the roof today, and as you can see, let's just have a look down there, the backspans are now being connected to each other. So when I said all them weeks ago, about a month ago was it? Can't remember now. It was over a month ago anyway, that the roof would be going on during the World Cup. Not one person kept telling me I was dreaming. Looks like it's going to happen. So I'm keeping well away from the site, because I can see a guy right on the edge there, so walking along. I will be doing some zooming in, so yeah. But yeah, he's walking right along the edge there, so I'm going to stay well away. Oh, loads going on in this corner here. Looks like the corner's getting built up. It is. Yeah, that's interesting. While I'm here, if you like the video, please consider subscribing. I'm trying to get to as many subscribers as I can, so everyone helps. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and as always, leave me a comment. So let's go right over the site. Tons of work going on down there. They're getting really busy on this now, because there's only about 3 more home games before the World Cup, and then that's it. Then the real work starts. They'll be hammering this all through the World Cup. Yeah, that crane's still in place there, so I take it once that far corner there is built up, they're going to start on the other one and remove that crane. There's the grow lamps on the pitch, and I'm calling them heat lamps. So let's go over and have a look from this side. I'll be able to get a little bit lower than it, because I'm away from the site. Liverpool are at Ajax tonight. No, tomorrow night even. This is Tuesday. Liverpool playing on Wednesday. Okay, so that's how it's looking right now. I'll get a little bit lower, a little bit closer. So while I'm not mentioning any comments today, what I will mention is we're getting to the end of October now, and coming to November, so it's the, it's approaching Christmas, and it's only going to get half of people. So because I'm at uni, we get recommended stuff to help out, for students that can't afford much. And one is an app called Olio, O-L-I-O, and that is it's a food app, but not just a food app. You can get like furniture and stuff as well. There's, you know, there's items that are on there. Everything's free on there. So the shop's giving stuff away. It'll be on Olio. So if you go on the app, and there's other people who have bought stuff and they're not going to eat it. It's going to go out of date soon, and they'll give it away for free. So I don't know if it's worth checking out for people, because I know time's going to be hard coming up. So yeah, we'll do. That could help someone. Another one is called Too Good To Go, and that is another food app, but it's more based on, you have to pay for the food on this, but it's more helping those that can't afford the prices that shops are charging. So thanks to Costa, Starbucks, Palm Bakery, they're putting on like food bags, which normally cost about £12, and I think they're going for like £3 or £4. You've got the likes of Carveries that are offering full roasts for about £3.50. I'm gonna get a good look at the main stand here. Yeah, when they're normally around £7.5, £8. So yeah, it's just something to look at. Olio and Too Good To Go. Might have someone else over Christmas. Let's get a good look over Anfield. We still only have the 3 front spans on, don't we? Am I mistaken? No, there's still only 3 there. Yeah, so yeah, and with my channel, I want to try and help people. So I've got other ideas that I'm gonna float the ideas anyway over some videos that I'll do, you know, rather than cover the comments alone. I'll have some ideas to float around. One's going to be about helping grassroots football, because I used to run a football club. I had 7 teams, and it was just getting too expensive to run, so I had to fold it in the end, which is a shame. Some parents couldn't afford to pay I was only asking for £5 a week for subs. That would cover, you know, referees fees, league fees, trophies at the end of the season for the kids, just little things like that. But yeah, it was costing me money in the end, and I had to fold because I couldn't afford to run it myself in the end. But I do have an idea of trying to help out grassroots football from because almost every week there's a team folding because they can't afford to stay afloat. So I'll be coming up with an idea for that in the next few weeks. Yeah. There's some good leagues around, you see. You got the Walton Kettle League run by Dave, you got the Scotty Road League run by Maureen, and they're doing a lot to keep these leagues running. But you've also got the greed of the local FAs. I'm not going to name, but you can guess which FAs. And yeah, there's a lot of greed coming into it, because in kids football there's money. Where there's money, people want it. So that means clubs have to put their subs up. Parents can't afford to pay, kids leave, teams fold, and that's how it happens. So I'll float that idea that I have soon. If anyone's got any input on that, let me know in the comments, okay? Any ideas that you think might come in handy. I know I'm asking a lot because I want to help people that are struggling financially, you know, families, single parents, stuff like that. And obviously grassroots football is the lifeblood of this city, you know what I mean? You got Liverpool here, you got Everton across the way, and this park's used in the summer for by Steve for doing the summer league as well. So yeah, if I can help out in any way, or if anyone's got any ideas, let me know, okay? So I'm sorry to have bored everyone with that, but I thought it was important to mention. Let's get a good look down here. See, it's hard to see on the phone what exactly is going on, because I haven't got the luxury of having a zoom on this, so I have to do all my zooming in when I'm editing the video. So all this should be zoomed in for everyone to have a good close look at down here. Let's move away. Have another look at the back of the stands. See, I'm not getting too close because when they're working, I don't want to put anyone off, especially when they're walking so precariously along the roof. So I'll leave it there. This is short and normal, so yeah, I'll leave it there. Again, please consider subscribing if you like the video. Any ideas about what I've been talking about, whether it's helping people out, helping grassroots football, let me know in the comments. A thumbs up is always good for the algorithm as well. Okay, so I'll speak to everyone soon at the next one. Bye now.